Hello friend, in this video I am going to discuss about how to perform group by in Power BI. So at here I am going to use EMP table, and if I execute, so this is the record EMP table. Now let's move to Power BI. So at here the very first step, you need to go at this place transfer data. So use Power Query Editor to connect and prepare transfer. So click there. Now after clicking, there is a one page that open, and here you can see home, transfer, add columns, view tools. So I will discuss this all in my later video. So at here the first we need to go new or source. So here you can import data from Excel, SQL Server, CSV, web, this all. So I'm going to select SQL Server. So click on SQL Server, and here give a server name. If you don't know, then write add here local host, and database, that's optional, but here I'm going to give Adam. So here you can see Adam database are there. Now here after, let's click on OK. Now at this place you need to select the table. So here I'm going to use EMP table because add here or DPT number or rows are duplicate, and there I'm going to use sal column to calculate maximum minimum average salary. So that here I'm going to select EMP, and here this all records inside EMP table. Now click on OK. So this is the record inside EMP table, and when that done, now you need to go add here transform tab, and here you can see group by. So in this lecture I'm going to discuss only group by. So if you take the cursor on the group by, here groups rows in this table based on value in the current selected columns. So let's click there. Now here this is group by, a specified column to group by desired output. So this all are default. So group by I'm going to make on this or DPT number. So 10 making in one group, 20 making one group, and 30 making another group. So that here I'm going to select DPT number, and here this is new column name. By default it's count, and here it will operation you can perform some average, medium, max, mean, and here count rows, count distinct rows. So let's see count rows. So if I select count rows column, it's not come there. Now click on OK. So here you can see or 10 it's 3 times, 20 5 times, 30 6 times. So here 1 2 3 10 3 times, 1 2 3 4 5 25 times, and 36 times. Now here after, let's go to navigate, and here click group by once again, here insert. So this is for group by, and here basic, so this time going to select making EMP in one more group, and here count distincts. So it will count here all or 10 one times. So 10 in one times, 20 in one times, 13 one times. So here you can see by using count distincts, 10 only count one times. Now go to navigate once again, group by, here insert, and let's select EMP once again. Now this time going to select sum of salary. Sum of salary, so we need to select the sal column and here give meaningful name. So writing here sum underscore sal. So before going to press OK, here you can see sum of salary of this or 10. So if you add this one, so here 6300 plus 2450. So if you add 6000, so approximate to 8,500 it's come. Now if I press OK, so here you can see 10 8750, 20 10,875. Here you can see 20. If you add this all, so here 10,000 or 875 that come, and 30 94. Now here this is the group for group indexing 0 1 2. Now here after let's check another. Click on insert. So here let's select DPT number once again. DPT number because DPT number all are duplicate. Here this time going to select max. Here let's write max sal, and max sal, that's we need to select salary, and here you can see 10 maximum salary 5,000, 20 3,000, 30 2850. Here you can see 10, so 5,000 is the highest, 20, so here 3,000 3,000 is the highest, and 30 2850. Here you can see this all. Now navigate once again. Here group by, insert. So like this you can check here. So that's or you can check here average, mean, and controls, and here you can use all rows, but if I select here all rows, so here let's press OK. So here count table, if I click here navigate, continue. Now here you can see this is for only 20 data, and if I go back this point here, this is for continue, only 30 data it's displaying. Now navigate once again, here group by, and here insert, and here this is the use of all rows, and hereafter you can go advanced, and here this is the only one columns. You can make multiple group in the columns. So here let's select here max salary. So max salary sal column, and making 10 in one group, and here let's use controls. So controls you can use, and here this is for max underscore sal, and here giving C and T. Press OK. Here you can see max salary it's displaying 5,000, and 10 it's counting 3 times, 20 that is max salary, 3,000 it's 5 times, 30 2850 6 times it's count. So this is the use of group by inside Power BI. So it's all here. You can see this all ready-made group by aggregate function are available here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.